It is really today, the way to think about it is using emerging technologies in a way that creates value for customers. We used to think about creating products and services and sort of identifying the market need and say, okay, we'll go out and build a better product and service, and then we market it and sell it to customers, and that's how we drive revenue. That's still true, but you have to understand that there's a layer of digital experience on top of any product or service that exists today that didn't exist before. You have to design that digital experience as part of the design of the product experience. You can't separate the two. And so this is at the heart of the digital transformation that we talk about. It's partly designing those digital experiences for the customer, whether it's B2B or B2C, because those customers have the expectation that you're going to deliver a digital experience. And those expectations are evolving every day, which is part of what drives that speed of change that's going on today. But you also have to be able to use the emerging technologies to change the way the business operations are designed. Because the way we think about how to design a business today is very different to what's happened in the past. For the last 200 years, we've been able to use a business model that's been pretty static. I mean, it's a pyramid model. It's designed to evolve slowly, not change quickly. And if you think about most businesses, they're designed like that. Hierarchical businesses with processes that are laid out to try and encourage consistency around the world in terms of the way we make products and bring products to market. In today's era, with the expectations evolving so fast, we now have to design a business that's designed to change constantly. It's designed to change very quickly. That means we have to rethink the business model. We have to rethink how we put teams together, how we measure those teams, how we incent those teams to innovate quickly. Everything about the way we've thought about business has to be redesigned with those changes in mind. How to bring products to market much faster that are also digital products and experiences. And it changes so much about the way we think about business. That's at the heart of business digital transformation. It's about transforming the business to take advantage of the digital capabilities that are today to help drive value for customers and therefore revenue growth. We're in this evolutionary cycle where companies have to learn how to become a digital predator to survive, and if they don't, they're essentially going to become prey. Every company that exists today has to learn how to do one of those two things. Well, they have to learn how to become a digital predator, essentially. Otherwise, they are going to become prey to those companies that learn how to use the technology to create value. And so it's a matter of survival for every company, essentially. And the way we look at it from a research perspective is understand which companies are learning how to use technology in a way to create value. They're the digital predators of the future. And which companies are struggling with that? What are they, those companies that are struggling, why are they struggling? What are the challenges they have? And those companies that are succeeding, what are they doing differently? And we can learn from looking at the differences in these companies to tease out ways to help companies that are struggling improve and become less susceptible to being a prey in the future.